How will the integration of different methodologies shape the role of insights companies in the future?
I love this question about how integrating different strategies and different methodologies is impacting the insights world today. I've been lucky enough to be in the field for long enough to remember when Palm Pilots were still a highly technical tool in the research path. And even in my previous role, I was doing managed services where traditional managed services, we were seeing proposals being lost over and over again to speed and lower cost. So I knew things were changing, right? I think with technology, there's really a double-edged sword in that. Is it cheaper? Absolutely. Faster? Yes. But quality? Maybe not. That's why with the help of our great CEO in Lisa Wilding Brown, we wanted to really inject quality back into the world of res tech. We see a tool come out almost every day, a new process, new improvement come out. But what we really wanted to focus on we really wanted to focus on the foundation, building a really quality foundation of good respondents first, making sure there are good quality measures involved in that. And then build a DIY solution on top of that allows consumers to easily be able to come up with and create surveys for themselves. But what we wanted to do was integrate that with some of the best consultants in the industry, being able to make sure that if you have a more complicated question, that we're right-sizing research for your needs, rather than just giving you another tool and telling you to figure it out yourself. So really what we wanted to do was make sure that we were focusing on those fundamentals, injecting quality back into some of the processes and the tech that's out there right now, because we really feel like the basics matter when we're talking about how to integrate tools into our clients' portfolio.